Hi everyone, I'm Jake Worley, head golf professional at the Pines at Grandview Lodge. We are out here on the newly renovated Lakes 9 here at the Pines, and we're going to talk to you about what we've done on holes 5 and 6. On number 5, the bunker long of the green and to the right, we've taken out. The one to the right wasn't necessarily in play, and the one behind the green wasn't the most ideal place to play a shot from. So we've taken those out and made a small runoff short grass area long of the green. It's not making things easier, but a little more playable for sure. Taking out some trees back there as well for some better turf back there for growing conditions. Then on hole 6, we took out the right greenside bunker. We've made a flat shelf that sits a little below the green surface. It's going to be a great place to pitch from, and it's going to stop any errant shots that might be coming in to the right, so it should keep some golf balls in play. And then behind us on hole 7, our signature hole, no work has been done here as there's no bunkers that we've added or taken out, but that's what you have to look forward to in the upcoming season on holes 5 and 6 here at the Lakes at Grandview.